welcome to my channel. It is Megan from Manny's Wine and Shine, and today I am going to show you how to apply Poshy nail designs water slide decals and kind of use it as a reverse stamping situation when you want to use the decals on not just white polish. I already painted my one hand so you guys don't have to see me, and I already added my Apres extensions so they're the right length for me. And we're going to be using Poshy Nail Designs The Sun and Her Flowers. And I already painted my base, which is Loud Lacquer's go-to and BABBS. And then I don't have their white polish, which is very unfortunate. I thought I ordered it, but I used Black Dahlia's Lacquer's white polish, which is usually the base white that I use for a lot of things. It's okay, but I definitely want to get a white in Loud Lacquer's formula because it's amazing and the brushes are so much better. So stay tuned, and we're gonna make some magic today. So I already cut out the Poshy Nail Designs, ones that I'm gonna use, The Sun and Her Flowers. And I'm going to be using this one on my ring finger, this one on my middle finger, and I'm gonna do a lone little guy on my highlight finger, which is BABBS from Loud Lacquer. It's a holographic. It's like a mauve holographic. It's beautiful. You can even see it here. And the light's not really even on it. Enough about that. So I'm using Maniology's sticky base coat, which is like awesome and amazing when using water slide decals. And if you want to save 10%, you can use Megan10 on Maniology.com to save 10%, and that is affiliated code. Just going to cut a couple holes. I'm just going to cut a couple slits, like small ones, avoiding the main detail of the flower. Okay, just do it in the white spots. It was kind of dry from the messed up one, so I'm going to put another coat on. Oh, that soaks. You can see it start to move, so let's be a lot more careful today. Here we go. Tap, tap, tap. So you can see it better. I swear my nails aren't dirty, they're just stained from dealing with this. Just tapping this in. This turned out a lot better than the first one. That I find that her decals are very thin, which is great for when it's actually applied, but terrible when you're trying to apply it. It can fold super easy. So I'm gonna let it dry like this on my nail before I try to remove the excess here, and I'm gonna move on to this nail. And again, I'm just using the sticky base coat. I'm applying it before I even wet my decal, so it's time to get sticky and dry a little bit. So then I'm gonna take my pre-cut decal. And it just came off really easy. I'm dabbing this on the paper towel. And then I'm going to apply it to my nail. It keeps moving. See how it keeps moving? So I'm just going to kind of dab it with the paper tail like this to try to sop off some of the wetness. But just be careful on moving them or doing too much once you take that wetness away, because then it's going to smudge and scrape. I just have to scrape these off now. So I'm just going to gently do this. Make sure you don't get on the top of your nail. You just want to do that side area. And very, very gently, because you really don't need a lot of force. You're filing it off. See? And this just came right off. Here's my excess. So I'm going to take this guy, and I'm just going to get him wet. It's ready to come off. I'm going to gently just dab it on the paper tail. And I'm going to flip it like so. I'm going to make sure that it's even and smooth as I can, because if there's bumps, it'll show up. See, there's a bump, you can see it. But I think it should be okay. I'm going to do both because I'm also doing the same design on the other hand. So while I wait, I'm just going to dab, 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 so it's dry on that side. And I'm just going to paint right on it. Like that. So here is, so the thing when you do this with this brand is when you do a reverse stamping, decal, wherever it is when you place it, that's it, otherwise you're going to ruin it. And I'm tired of redoing this one, so I feel like it just kind of is where it is. What do you think, guys? These two look great. I couldn't get this one to work very well, which is disappointing, because it looked bomb in my head. I think it looks cute. It looks cohesive. Look at that. So I'm going to top with my Maniology's no smudge free top coat. And this will be it for me. The other trick I found, because this brand is like super notorious for smudging when you put top coats on, put a lot kind of dotted at the base and don't drag too hard. And always go back for more for each nail. See?
Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to use water slide decals and turning the water slide decals into a reverse stamping situation so you can use it on polishes other than just white polish. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a thing or two and like the design that I created. You can like this video down below if you liked it and subscribe for more content like this. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, drink a glass of wine, and I'll see you for the next videos. Bye!